Hello, sixth graders. It's our last lesson of the chapter for science. So we're working on the Earth, Moon, and Sun. So lesson 6 today, review on Tuesday, and a test. And we'll start the new chapter on Thursday. So lesson 6 is called Earth, Moon. My Planet Diary is Voices from History, Galileo Galilei. So let's read. In 1609, the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei turned a new tool, the telescope, toward the moon. What he saw amazed him. Wide, dark areas and strange spots and ridges. I have been led to that opinion, that I feel sure that the surface of the moon is not perfectly smooth, but that on the contrary, it is just like the surface of the earth itself, which is varied everywhere by high mountains and deep valleys. Today, scientists know that Galileo was right. Powerful telescopes have shown the mountains and craters on the moon, and astronauts have walked and driven over the moon's surface. So what conclusions did Galileo draw about the moon? He concluded that the moon's surface varied just like Earth's. So just one key question, what is the moon like? So the moon is dry and airless and has an irregular surface. Compared to Earth, the moon is small and has large variations in its surface temperature. Maria is a dark, flat area on the moon's surface formed from huge ancient lava flows. Craters are a large brown pit caused by the impact of a meteoroid. Meteoroids are a chunk of rock or dust in space, generally smaller than an asteroid. Highlands are some of the light-colored features you can see on the moon's surface, also called mountains. The peaks of the lunar highlands and the rims of the craters cast dark shadows. Size and density. The moon is 3,476 kilometers across, which is a little less than the distance across the United States. It's 1/80th the mass of Earth, so it does not weigh nearly as much as Earth, and the gravity is about 1/6 of Earth. What about the temperature? Moon's equator temperatures range from 130 degrees Celsius to negative 170 degrees Celsius. Temperatures at the poles are even colder. The temperatures vary so much because there is no atmosphere. Water. A thin layer of water exists in the soil. The total amount is very small, but it is found in many places on the surface of the moon. Origins of the moon. Scientists have suggested many possible theories. Best one that they can determine is called the collision ring theory, which says about 4.5 billion years ago, when Earth was very young, the solar system was full of rocky debris. A planet-sized object collided with Earth, and material from that object and Earth's outer layers was ejected into orbit around Earth, where it formed a ring. Gravity caused this material to clump together and form the moon. But we know that God created the moon when he created the Earth. So Earth, sun, stars, all the things in outer space. Okay. 3 vocab words. Maria, dark flat areas on the moon's surface formed from huge ancient lava flows. Craters, a large round pit caused by the impact of a meteoroid. Meteoroids are a chunk of rock or dust in space, generally smaller than an asteroid. Your assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 6. There will be matching for these 3 vocab words. I'll ask you probably one question about each of these: the origin of the moon, temperature, water, size, and the highlands. Possibly true false for the key point, okay? So it might be something like, what is the distance across the moon? Or what measure of Earth's gravity is the moon? So you'd say 1/6 for that one, okay? Otherwise, that's it. Have a great day. Let me know if there's any questions.